been teaching this art form for about 35 years. I teach at School of Oriental and African Studies in London. I have traveled to perhaps 30 countries doing same sort of thing. One thing I could tell you is the time constraint. When we have more time, we can go into more detail. But in such a short time, we just try to cover the basic, the important elements of Indian music.
I had a basic understanding of what notes he played, but as far as the rhythm of the piece, I was pretty lost. I kind of got it after a while. So yeah, it was just a totally different experience playing this kind of music than what I normally play.
So they got the insight into how the raga is put together.